Good morning. Welcome to my channel. This is Ruthie B here. Welcome. If it's your first time, welcome. If it's not your first time, welcome back, and I'm glad to have you here. Today I'm going to do a spring cleaning. I know we are well in spring already. Today is April 7th. It's Monday, April 7th, I believe. And I would like to bring to you guys a spring cleaning edition, my edition, right? So I'm gonna be doing some light decoration. First, I'm gonna clean, sweep, and maybe mop. I should mop and show you around the little things that I've added, the little decors that I've added in my area, in my living room slash dining room, my updates. So I will bring that to you today. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. As you already know, I'm having my rye coffee. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna enjoy this and then let's get to the video. Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you along with me with my light spring cleaning and decoration. I'm not really decorating, but I'm just trying to spruce up the place with everything that I already have in my house because we are living on a budget. So right now I exercised that morning. I'm rolling up my mat to put it away and clean up and try to tidy up the place. So I don't want this video to be too long. I want to keep it under 15 minutes, and this is the first part, and I will be uploading the second part a few days later. Yes, this is the first part, and I have another item that I added to the living room, and I don't think I'm gonna keep it. So if you want to see what it is, please watch the second video. All right, thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Hi guys, hello again. I have to apologize for the lighting that day. My lighting is not the best in this video. The reason why is because it was a very cloudy day and I didn't want to use my ring light. I was using only one of my it's a rectangular light that I have, which I had purchased from Shein, and I thought it was gonna be sufficient for for lighting up the place. Even though I have all these windows, it was pretty cloudy. I believe it was raining that day, so I apologize for the lighting. I'm showing you now my coffee table book, which I purchased from Amazon. It's pretty nice. I see that a lot of YouTubers are using this book as a piece of decoration on their table, and I jumped on the bandwagon and I got myself one. And this book holder is a book holder that I got from Shein for a pretty decent price. And also these marble beads they're not marbles, I'm sorry. These beads, they are from also Shein, which I got from Shein. And this flower centerpiece, that one is a DIY, which I did myself. I'm proud of myself. The vase was clear. I painted that gold, and the flowers, believe it or not, I purchased them at a 99-cent store, which we have around where I live, and I thought they looked good. So I think they look good, so that's why I have that on my coffee table. Yes, they're all DIY.
see getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy, where did you go?
Yes, guys, over there I'm just putting away. My husband and my daughter, they were playing some chess game. I know nothing about chess game, so they were playing together. I believe my husband was teaching her how to play the game, and they left everything all over the place, so I'm the one putting them away. Yes, and this is the piece that I purchased, that I just put away right now, that I purchased for the living room. It's a rug that I purchased on Amazon, and I don't think I'm gonna keep it. I mean, it's not giving what I thought it was gonna give, so I think I'm going to fold it back and return it, and then get myself another one. Yeah. Yes, guys, as I mentioned before, I had two DIYs. This one is my second one. I purchased the flowers also at the 99-cent outlet, and then the vase. I'm going to paint the vase probably gold to continue the theme of gold and white that I have in the living room / dining room, and also the wall behind the behind my cabinet here. It is an eyesore to me. I'll have to paint it soon before the the spring end. Yes,